Hey everyone, we're Echo Travel Adventures and we just hit 100 videos on this channel. And to celebrate, we're going to announce something in this video that is really going to be really cool for you guys as our audience. If you're new to this channel, hit that subscribe button, hit that bell icon so that we can be notified of our videos in the future. Like this video and comment, and stay tuned for more news. So as you just heard, we have not a huge announcement, but something that's really big for us. We have very big hearts and we like to give things away, so we have a pretty nice care package for you guys. But stay tuned for more, because we're going to tell you how to enter and all that kind of stuff. So our contest is going to run, well, it's like a contest. We're using a third party. So it's going to be open for 2 weeks starting today.
Starting the 15th, all the way up until August 29th.
And it's going to end at 12 o'clock on the 29th. And what's cool about this website that we're using, it's going to announce the winner to us, and we'll announce that winner on the 31st of August.
Yes, we have a little cue cards.
We do. Well, because we want to make sure you guys understand, we know what you guys need to do and all that kind of stuff.
I don't want you to get confused. We're just super excited. We won't want to stumble our words. It's a small milestone, but to us, we're just blessed, and we consider you guys family, honestly.
And so right now we have 75 subscribers. So we have a small little following, which is great because we really want to grow to make this huge, huge family. So first thing to do is, in the description below is the link. That link is going to give you 1 entry per day. So every video that we post between now and the 29th, you're going to be able to subscribe, or not subscribe, but you're going to be able to get an entry for the contest. If you also go to our Facebook page and you give us a like there, ding, you get 3 entry for that one
like. Is that liking our page?
Liking our page on Facebook.
Okay.
If you subscribe to our channel, you get 5 entries, guys.
That's
5. Just for subscribing.
That's amazing.
And even better, if you like and comment on us and you even watch the video.
On our YouTube videos.
On our YouTube videos.
Yep.
If you watch a video, you get 2 points. If you comment or like a video, you get 1 point each. So that's...
I mean, that's like at least 100 points right there for one thing.
I know. And then if you go to our Instagram page, you get 3 entries for that. So all in all...
that's to follow us.
That's to follow us on Instagram. So we just want to give you guys incentive to follow us and be part of our community. And we really would enjoy your guys' input on every video. We like the constructive criticism. We like knowing what we could do to do better.
Right. I mean, we see the likes, which is amazing. We see the dislikes, which is just as amazing. We just want to know, hey, we like you doing this, or maybe I shouldn't do that, because we are a little bit newer. We want to see what you guys like and what you enjoy. This is all for you and for us as a family and community. So we just want everybody to kind of get along. Yeah, definitely. Our 100th video, we completed a 4-part challenge at Disney World. I did 50% of it. But it was so fun to do it and to be a part of it. We got a couple of challenge videos as well, so we really encourage everyone to give us challenges for us to do for you guys. If you guys want more certain videos that you want to know about what's going on in the parks, let us know. Send us a message or email us. We have our information all the way around. We're not afraid. Whether you have no subscribers or you just started, like, we're willing to help out people. You know, hopefully people are willing to help us out. We just, maybe word of mouth, maybe you guys can be like, hey, have you guys heard of Echo Travel Adventures? They're so awesome. Ding. And they're having a really cool giveaway. You guys should check it out. Right. Like, any little thing like that, we absolutely love. Oh, I forgot to mention, if you share us, you get an extra point for every time someone clicks on that link. Oh, that's right. So if you send this to all your friends, you get points. And it just accumulates. So that's why we're doing 2 weeks. So that way you guys can get the most out of it. And hopefully you see how much fun we have. It's just us for now. And our cat Echo, we had to
lock her out because she kept on meowing.
She kept meowing. She wanted to be on camera the whole time, so you'll probably see some outtakes. So, and not just with these entries, want you guys to be involved as well. We've said it previously before. We like meeting new people. We want to see you guys. We want to enjoy. We want to go on rides with you. Like, we'll go to dinner with you. We're that type of people.
Hold on a second. Only certain rides.
We'll go on rides.
Asterisk.
But we really want this. We want this to be a small community within our family.
Right.
So that's why we're wanting you to be more involved. So that's why we're saying, hey, if you do this, this, and this, then you get more out of it, and it's a higher percentage of you.
And you get to win something really, really cool.
We're just super excited. So it may seem a little bit weird. So don't just watch this video. Watch our other videos as well. We have 100 of them.
But so now that we guys have spent 5 minutes with us, 5 wonderful minutes with us, we want to tell you what the giveaway is actually going to be. It's going to be a surprise box of a couple Universal things, a couple Marvel things, but most, you know, Disney owns Marvel.
Disney.
But mostly it's going to be Disney specific. We're not going to tell you guys what it is because we don't want anyone to know.
We don't want to ruin the surprise.
But everything's going to be anonymous. Everything is protected. Once we know who the winner is, we will email you.
And we'll film it to show you guys, hey, we just didn't choose somebody because we didn't think that's fair either.
Right.
We don't like when other people do it. We were trying not to do it.
Exactly. So we definitely want you guys to really be part of this and everything else. So we really...
don't be afraid. Like, if you see us at, like, Publix or Walmart or Target... Don't be afraid to say hi.
Hey, hold on a second. You're just mentioning Publix. All right. So
funny story. It has to be really quick though.
I know. So we went to Publix right down the street from our house, and we found out just because of one of their videos that they shot, they live like literally
really
like down the street, like
ish. We don't know where though.
I don't know specifically where, but there's like 3 communities on our street, and
but it's another YouTube couple. They're really popular. We were too scared to be like, hey guys, because we're a smaller channel.
But not only that, they were on a mission. Yeah. So they were like running into Publix and we're like, hey.
But we don't want you guys to feel that way at all. We want you guys to come talk to us, come say hi, get us constructive criticism. I mean, we love meeting new people. We want those friends. We want those family. We want to be in your lives just like we want you guys, obviously, in our lives.
And yeah, so the package itself is going to be about $75.
We're maybe get a little bit more stuff depending.
Yeah.
But right now we're looking the bare minimum of $75.
Yep.
So it's pretty good, I think. If I find any other cute stuff along the way, it might be a little bit more.
But we really enjoy everybody. We really want you guys to be part of our community.
We thank each and every one of you 75 people that watch our things and like and comment. Like, we're so thrilled. We hit the small milestones. Our next small goal is what, 80 and then 100. Just those little things. Every time we get notified, we get so excited. We do. And our goal by the time we hit January 1st, even though it sounds like it's pretty easy to do, is to hit 100 subscribers. And at least 100. So hopefully this will help out. Like, tell your friends and family. Like, we're so excited about this giveaway. And we can't wait to do more. Absolutely. So share us. You get more points for it. I mean, it helps you running. But definitely keep in touch with us. We really want to be part of your guys' lives as much as we want you part of our life. But with that, we will see you guys in the parks. Please, again, don't forget. Say hi. Definitely. And please don't forget to subscribe. Hit that bell icon. And we will see you guys later. Bye. Action. Wanna do it again? No.